WildBrain!
Mega machines, like people, come in many different shapes and sizes. And they all have their uses. Sometimes they dig for treasure. Hi, I'm Trevor. Oh yeah, first time. Gosh dang it. I need 7 bars. Woohoo! Gotcha. Six to go. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh. All right, here it comes. There we go. Let's keep on trucking. I need 5 more. All right, 2 down. Whew. Only 3 more bars to go. This is a tricky one. Gotcha. Two more down. Nearly there. I just need 1 more. Oh, I found 3. Oh no, they slipped right through my fingers. Let's try it again. Oh. Second time lucky. This is very difficult, but I'm not giving up. I can do this. Gotcha. Done. I wonder how Greg the Spinner is doing.
Hey, I'm Greg the Spinner. Here they go. Are you ready? It's spinning time! My scope is 6 meters long. I can fit so much stuff in it. Now, back the other way. All right, let's stop before they get too dizzy. Well, that was fun, guys. We'll catch you next time. I wonder how lofty the crane is doing.
I'm just driving in my truck looking for the bad guys. I'm the sheriff in this town. Nobody hiding around these parts. Let's check around here. Nope, nobody there. It's all safe. The sun is shining. I'm in my patrol car. Nobody here. Let's check out this park. The backhoe's safe. Seems the park is clear too. Let's just go around this bend. Keep my eye out for anything suspicious. Oh, wait. Nope. There's nothing around here. Still all good. Gotta protect these machines. Last few bends. There's nothing around here. Just me and my engine. Going to check out this tree line and see if anybody is lurking around here. Nope, seems that we are all good. I've done a great job today. Gotta keep it safe. Thanks for coming with me, guys. The building site is home to a number of mega machines. Picking up, moving, and digging, their role is very important. But every now and then, they get sick, and they need help. And that's when the robots come in, to make them better and save the day.
What a lovely day outside in the sun. Oh God, having problems. Oh no, there's a lot of problems. This is not good. I'm gonna need some help, gosh darn it.
Let's go help him.
Okay, let's go.
What a lovely day.
It's getting worse, guys. Guys, please help me. Please help me. Oh no, there's smoke.
Don't worry, we are coming. Time to lay down some speed.
Such a lovely day.
way is it? I'm lost. Jenny, which way is it?
I don't know.
Gosh dang it, which way is it?
Where are we going? Is it this way?
You ready?
No, I'm stuck. Give me some time. Please wait. Wait for me, please. Oh no. I'm getting there. Give me some time. Yep, I'm coming. I can see you. I'm on my way.
Let's do this. He needs our help. Let's get there.
Yep, I'm right behind you.
Guys, it's still very broken. I can't do anything.
Don't worry, we're nearly there. Nearly there.
Just behind you, buddy.
Guys, where are you guys? Thanks, guys. Thanks for fixing me up. I really appreciate it. Remember to say hello to security team from me. Have a nice day, guys.